Hi everyone, my name is Carolina Ruiz and today I'm going to be doing the famous oobleck. So what I have here is some cornstarch, some water, and some food coloring just for fun. So what you need to know beforehand a little bit is that oobleck is pretty much just cornstarch. So it's something dry that's going to turn into a state of matter that is a little difficult to understand. For example, and it can be solid and yet liquid when you come into contact with it, but we'll go more over that when I start doing it. So I'm gonna put some water in my cup here. So that's gonna be 1 cup. And from the videos I've seen and the websites I've been on, it's better to put the cornstarch beforehand, because if you put little water, you can just keep building it up until you have the perfect consistency. So let's just put a few drops in here. Alright, and I'm going to mix it with my green spoon. So we're going to be making this green. So I'm going to drop the cornstarch into my clear cup. I wanted to do this just so people can get a clear view of what I'm doing. Okay, so now let's drop some water a little bit at a time. So let's mix. And I can already just like feel it, that it's like a weird consistency. And from the videos I've seen, it was like really cool, so I wanted to try my own as well. Let's put a little bit more. And even if you do kind of mess up with like the water, it's okay. Like you can just add more cornstarch. So now let's mix. So I'm going to start mixing with my hands, see if that is better. So the consistency through my hand is very weird. I've never done something like this. And then I think I'm just going to add a little bit more cornstarch because I think I went overboard with the water. But it is a strange feeling. Yeah, I'm going to add a little bit more cornstarch. And this is really simple, so it's really fun if kids want to try it with their parents or teachers. I didn't really know about oobleck before. Like I knew about slime, but not oobleck. So it's pretty cool to see that there's more out there. So I think I'm very close to the consistency of oobleck, but I'm just making a mess right now. So let me just, yeah, I think I got it. So in this case, you think that putting like a liquid starch would just make whatever you have into a liquid, but in the case of oobleck, it works in different stages of what we call matter. So in this case, like for example, this is literally pretty stiff, and if I put my fingers through it, it's like it won't go really through. Like for example, if I grab it and I like see how it's not supposed to do that on a regular surface, but because it's touching my hands, that's what happens. This is really fun. So it's runny now, but it can work in different stages. That's the cool part, because cornstarch is just a regular powder, as many might think. But just adding some water can really change the consistency. Right now it's not running at all because it's just standing on my skin. But if I start holding it, it will run really quickly. It's almost like it melts. It's really interesting. And then it hardens if I want to squeeze it. So it's very stiff. Because like I said, it works in different stages of science. This is really fun. I'm going to play with this some more once I'm done with this video. Alright, well thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope this was informative for you.